So we're tasked with finding the difference between this fraction and this fraction. And this fraction is clearly 1 whole and 1 piece out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 and 1/6. Whoops. So that's 1 and 1/6. 1 whole is 6 pieces cut into, or this next piece cut into 6 pieces, and one of them is shaded in, so that's 1/6. And this one is 1 whole. All right, 1 whole and 2 out of 3 shaded in, so 2/3. So what is the difference? So we're going to have to see, okay, this is the larger amount, so it's 1 and 2/3 minus 1 and 1/6. So one thing we can do is we can convert 1 and 2/3 into, we can convert this into 1/6. And one way that we can do that is to cut it into 2 pieces each. Each third can be cut into 2 pieces each. Mathematically, what that looks like is this: 2 and 2/3. Let me kind of share with you what I'm thinking here. So if I have thirds, right, and I had 2 of them shaded in, right, 2 of them are shaded in. So I'm not going to worry about the 1 whole just yet. But here's the 2/3. Basically what I'm saying is that I could multiply by 2, multiply by 2. And what that means is for every third, I now want to have 2 pieces, right? 2, 2, 2, that's going to get me 6ths with 4 shaded in. So it's going to be 1 whole and 4/6. And that's going to look like this, right? If I turn it into 2 pieces, another one, right? Here we go. That's 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 2 pieces, right? And that much is shaded in. So 2/3 became 4/6. So now I can go through the expression here. 1 and 4/6 minus 1 and 1/6. Okay, well, let's do the fractional amount. 4/6 minus 1/6 is going to get me 3/6. And then 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's just 3/6. However, that can be simplified. I can say, okay, 3/6, if I put it in groups of 3, that's going to get me 1/2. And by that I mean this: if I had 6ths, right? So I draw my 6th again, and I have 3/6 now, right? 3/6. I'm going to divide by 3. What that means is I'm putting it in groups of 3. There's a group of 3, and there's a group of 3. If I put it in groups of 3, that group's going to be right here, and this group's going to be right there, and half of it is what was shaded in. Okay, let's go up here and look at the model and explain what's going on. We had 1 whole and 2/3, which we turned into 4/6, and we're subtracting 1, right? I'm going to subtract 1 whole, so that's gone, and 1/6, so one of those is gone, which leaves me with 3/6, right? 3/6 again is simplified into 1/2. 3/6 became 1/2.